Hello and welcome everyone for the True False Not Given series. This is session number 7. That passage we have taken from the Cambridge 9 Test 1 Academic, William Henry Perkin. Question 1 to 7 you have to solve here for the True False Not Given. This is our session number 7. So in previously sessions from 1 to 6 we have almost solved the 6 passages together from the academic Cambridge academic. So if you are new for this video, make sure you just go through the first video and see all the tips and the strategies that we have discussed in each and every video. Solve the questions 1 to 7 by yourself first, read the passage, solve questions by yourself first, and afterwards you will see the explanations. Let's start with the question number 1. The Michel Faraday was the first person to recognize the Perkin's ability as a student of the chemistry. So Michel Faraday is the keyword, okay? Perkin's ability and the chemistry subject is the keyword. Let's find those keywords in our paragraph. So you just review the paragraph number 2 in the given passage. So the paragraph number 2 that is written, as a student of the City of London School, the Perkin became immersed in the study of chemistry. His talent and the devotion to the subject were perceived by his teacher, Thomas Hall, who encouraged him to attend the series of the lecture, and the Michel Faraday at the Royal Institution, and the other stuff. Okay, so after reading this, they have written in the question that Michel Faraday was the first person to recognize Perkin's ability as a student of the chemistry. That is totally contradicted because initially by his teacher Thomas Hall, who encouraged him to attend the series of the lectures given by the eminent scientist Michel Faraday at the Royal Institutions. So who found the first ability, that is not clearly given, so that's why information is contradicted with the given question, so that's why answer is what? False. Question number 2. Michel Faraday suggested Perkin should enroll in the Royal College of the Chemistry. So let's see the paragraph number 2 again. This information we have to find. So your keywords are the enrollment of him. So you can see that later on those speeches fired the young chemist's enthusiasm further, and he later went on attend the Royal College of Chemistry, which is succeed in the entering 1853 at the age of 15. So, who advised Perkin to enroll in the Royal College of Chemistry is not given, because in the question is written that Michel Faraday suggested Perkin should enroll in the Royal College of Chemistry, but in the paragraph, who advised Perkin to enroll in the Royal College of Chemistry, that is not given. So that's why the information is not given in the paragraph regarding that sentence. So answer is not given. Question number 3. The Perkin employed August Wilhelm Hoffman as his assistant. So the Perkin employment is the keyword in the August month, and the Hoffman and the assistant, these are the keywords. So you can see these keywords in the paragraph number 3. So let's read the paragraph number 3. At the time of Perkin's enrollment, the Royal College of Chemistry was headed by the noted German chemist August Wilhelm Hoffman. Perkin's scientific gifts soon caught Hoffman's attention. Within 2 years, and he became the youngest assistant. Not long after, the Perkin made the scientific breakthrough that would bring him both fame and a fortune. So that means the Hoffman employed Perkin as his assistant. But in the question is written Perkin employed August Hoffman as his assistant, and Hoffman employed Perkin as his assistant. Both the information are contradicted. Got the thing? In the question they have written Perkin employed August Hoffman as an assistant, and the Hoffman employed Perkin as his assistant, that is given in the paragraph. Both the information are contradicted, so answer is false. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. Perkin was still young when he made the discovery that made him rich and the famous. So the same paragraph we have to see again, the paragraph number 3 for this keywords Perkin, discovery, fame, rich and the famous. So let's read this. At the time of Perkin's enrollment, the Royal College of the Chemistry was headed by the German this Hoffman. Perkin's scientific gifts soon caught by his attention. Within 2 years, and he became his youngest assistant. Not long after that, Perkin made the scientific breakthrough that would bring him together for fame and the fortune. So yes, made him rich and famous, and the fame and the fortune both are the similar word, and discovery and scientific breakthrough, this also are the similar thing. Scientific breakthrough and the discovery. So all the keywords are matched with the given paragraph information, so that's why our answer is true. The next question is question number 5. The trees from which the quinine is derived grow only in the South America. Quinine, that means a drug or you can say a substance. Okay, so the trees from which the quinine is derived grow only in the South America. So quinine is the keyword and the South America is also the keyword. So let's see these keywords in the paragraph number 4. At the time of the quinine was the only viable medical treatment for the malaria. The drug is derived from the bark of the cinchona tree native to the South America. And by 1856, the demand for the drug was surpassing the available supply. Okay, so here they have written about the quinine, South America, and the trees too, but they didn't recognize that the trees originated in the South America. That means whether they grow in the South America is not mentioned. The trees are originated from the South America, but they grow in the South America, that is not mentioned in the given paragraph. So that's why answer is what, not given, because regarding the sentence information is not given in the paragraph. Let's see the question number 6. The Perkin hoped to manufacture a drug from a coal tar waste product. So the drug is the keyword and the coal tar is also a keyword and the waste product. Okay, so let's see this all information in the paragraph number 5th. During his vacation in 1856, the Perkin spent his time in the laboratory on the top floor of his family house. He was attempting to manufacture quinine from the aniline, an expensive, readily available coal tar waste product. Despite his best efforts, however, he did not up to the end of the quinine. So the information is given that yes, he has discovered that the coal tar product. So that's why our answer is what, true, because drug and the quinine both are the same, because you can say a substance, a drug is equal to the quinine. So your answer is what, true. Let's see the last question. Question number 7. Perkin was inspired by the discoveries of the famous scientist Louis Pasteur. So inspiration and the scientist name both are the keywords. So let's see this information is given in the paragraph or not. This is the paragraph number 5th. In the paragraph number 5th, they are talking about the famous scientist. During his vacation in the 1856, he spent time on the laboratory. We have just read it. We just read from this. Luckily, Perkin's scientific training and the nature prompt him to investigate the substance further, and incorporating potassium dichromate and the alcohol into the aniline at various stages at the experiment process. He finally produced a deep purple solution, and providing the truth of famous Nancy Louis Pasteur words, chance favors only the prepared mind, and Perkins saw the potential of his unexpected find. Here in the question, what they are talking about, the Perkin was inspired by the discoveries of the famous scientist. Whether here Perkin was inspired by the Louis discoveries or not, that is not mentioned. What the mentioned information is that he finally produced a purple solution, and proving the truth of famous scientist by the Louis words, chance favors only for the preparation in the mind. But he inspired by him, that is not given in the sentence. So that's why our answer is what, not given. We hope that we have clear all your doubts of this passage, and hope that you will follow the true false not given series. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, our true false not given series, session number 7. Do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.